Welcome to the English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Vedi and the topic for the video is verb. So today we are going to talk about verb. That is the third form of parts of speech. Now what is verb? Verb basically talks about an action or any event. Okay? It talks about any action taking place or it talks about any event taking place. Okay? Now, before learning about the types of verbs or different other rules and uses of verbs, you must understand that a verb has 5 forms. A verb has mainly 5 forms. Okay, let's say for example, if I'm talking about any verb, let's say work. Okay, so a verb has 5 forms. That means it is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Okay. Now what are these 5 forms? The V1 form is basically known as the root or the base form. Okay. The V2 form is known as simple past form. The V3 is known as past participle form. V4 is known as present participle, and V5 is third person singular. Okay, so V5 is third person singular. So V1 is basically the root or the base form, V2 is the simple past form, V3 is the past participle, V4 is the present participle, and V5 is the third person singular. Now again, let's start talking about the verbs. So first of all, let's talk about work. Okay, so work is the root or the base form. Simple past will be worked, past participle will also be worked, V4 will be working, okay, means use of ing, and V5 will be use of s or es, it will be works. Let's say for example we are talking about go. So go becomes go will be go in the form of the root form or base form is go. Simple past will be went, past participle will be gone, V4 will be going, okay, V5 will be goes. Again, let's talk about, like, if we are, let's say for example have. So have is already a root or the base form, had is the V2 form, again V3 is the had, then having is V4 form, haves is V5 form. Okay, then again let's say for example eat. Okay, so eat is the V1 form, V2 is ate, V3 is eaten, V4 is eating, and V5 is eats. Okay, so these are the different 5 forms of verbs, which is basically, this is important to remember. Okay, as in case of whenever you will be talking about, like, these are really helpful whenever you are going to talk about tenses. If you will go through the video where I have talked about tenses, different forms of tenses, okay, in that case I have given you some of the formula, some of the sentence arrangement forms. Okay, there I have specified the form of the verbs. Okay, so in order to remember that, you have to remember this chart, the different 5 forms of verb and what are the forms. Okay, what are the forms? So basically the V1 is the root or the base form, V2 is the simple past, V3 is the past participle one, V4 is the present participle, simply use of ing will be there, and V5 is a third person singular, means either you are going to make use of s or es. See, use of s in works and es in case of go. Okay, now we are going to talk about types of verbs in the another video.